Welcome. In front of me is a POCO X6, and today I will show you how you can record a screen on this phone. So, to get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen, and then locate the screen recording toggle. If it's not visible on the first page, you can swipe to the left, and this will show you additional page with more toggles. And you can see that our screen recording is located on the second page right over here. Once you see it, you can simply tap on it. This will bring up our overlay with a couple options. So we have the record button, then we have a folder which just takes us to the location where we have only screen recordings, settings, and then close. Now in the settings we have options for quality of recording, and it looks like it's set to relatively decent options. Frame rate, let's see if we have option, and we do have option to change it to 60, which I recommend doing if you want to have a nice smoother recording. It's going to affect things like games significantly more. They will look much better compared to the 24, and contrary to what people say it's cinematic, it's not. So anyway, you can close this, start recording. Now once you stop it by selecting the square, it will automatically save your recording. Now, that being said, I did record Netflix here, and that is for a deliberate reason, which you will see in a second. So let's first watch our recording, which we can do by either going back to that overlay and selecting the folder icon, or by going into our Photos application right over here, and then navigating to Library, and under Camera, you'll find our screen recording. And what you will see is that when I opened up Netflix, we basically got nothing as a recording. Just a purely black screen after the logo. There we go. And that's completely normal because Netflix decides to remove that option from you. So obviously this is designed for against like piracy, but there's easier ways to pirate than just doing that. And I'm pointing that out just because if you ever encounter this kind of recording where you have a black screen, just know that there is nothing you can do about it, because it's a feature that was supposed to be designed to protect you, but it's designed to basically screw you instead, which is evident by people or companies like Netflix utilizing it. And you have no option to turn it off even if you wanted to. So there we go. Anyway, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.